Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I'm glad you're joining me today. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's get into it. We have seen some massive moves trending on social media. First, QURE is surging, up about 77% in the pre-market. The catalyst here is a major regulatory win. The FDA has agreed that their 3-year data from a phase 1 or 2 trial for their Huntington's disease therapy can serve as the primary basis for a biologics license application. This effectively restores an accelerated approval pathway that investors had previously feared was lost, making it a huge turnaround for the company. Also in focus is Snap, which is facing continued pressure after unveiling its new augmented reality glasses. The device is priced at over $2,000, which has left many analysts and investors skeptical about mass market adoption, especially compared to cheaper alternatives from competitors like Meta. The stock is hovering near $5 after a sharp drop in the previous session. Meanwhile, Hims & Hers Health is seeing modest activity as investors continue to digest a recent analyst note regarding the company's potential entry into the peptide compounding market. The market is waiting for a key regulatory meeting in July that could open up a significant new revenue stream, though insider share sales are keeping some of the enthusiasm in check. Lastly, Nokia is trading higher, up about 2%. The move is driven by positive analyst actions and continued excitement around their AI-integrated network software, specifically their plans to add an agentic AI framework to their platform by the end of the year. Looking at the broader market, futures are pointing to a mixed open as investors brace for the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision later today. While consensus expectations are for rates to remain steady, all eyes are on the press conference from the new Fed chair, Kevin Warsh. Markets are looking for any clues on the future policy path, especially given the recent volatility in energy prices following the U.S.-Iran agreement. Global markets are also processing this news, which has helped ease some inflation concerns, but has put a slight damper on energy stocks. In the AI economy, the theme remains infrastructure. We are seeing continued massive capital expenditure, with Google Cloud and HSBC announcing a major multi-year partnership today to deploy AI capabilities across the bank's global operations. This is a perfect example of the trend we are seeing. AI is moving beyond just the tech giants and into core financial services. Meanwhile, the G7 summit is also focusing on the future of AI and the competitive landscape for the industry, highlighting the tension between innovation and regulation. For stocks in focus, it is a busy morning for earnings. GOOGL reported strong results, beating estimates on both the top and bottom lines. The company cited extremely strong demand for AI infrastructure, which is a massive tailwind for their business, and they have raised their outlook for the year. Conversely, CarMax also reported their quarterly results, showing a 6% revenue increase year over year. They are navigating a challenging retail environment, but their ability to beat revenue expectations has provided a lift to the stock in pre-market trading. To wrap up, today is all about the Federal Reserve's policy stance, the ongoing AI infrastructure build-out, and a few key earnings beats from GOOGL and CarMax. As always, for more insights and stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening to Finpod. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you want us to cover next. I will see you tomorrow.